Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial, you'll learn how to connect Etendo Copilot with Gmail using Pipedream. With this integration, you can check, search, and send emails directly from your agent in Etendo without needing to switch applications. First, let's see what you need to have ready. 1. An Etendo instance with Etendo Copilot installed. 2. A Google account to connect. And 3. Pipedream MCP configured. Now, let's move on to the setup steps. The first step is to connect Gmail in Pipedream. Go to mcp.pipedream.com and search for Gmail. Then connect your Gmail account and accept the Google consent screen. Finally, allow access to your email according to your preferences. Next, choose the Visual Studio Code option and copy the settings from MCP Server Config. The second step is to create the MCP server in Etendo. Log into Etendo with the System Administrator role. Go to Application, Service, Copilot, MCP Server's configuration window, and create a new entry. Assign a name, a description, and paste the JSON you copied from Pipedream. Now link this MCP to an agent. Go to the Agent window, select the agent you want to give Gmail access to. In this case, we select SQL Expert, and in the MCP Servers tab, add a new line with the newly created server. Save the changes and synchronize the agent. Now let's look at some examples to test the integration. We log in with the administrator role. Start a conversation with your agent and ask questions like, summarize the last email received from info Etendo software. This feature is very useful and greatly boosts productivity, as the agent not only accesses your email, but also interprets the information and gives you what you need directly and efficiently. The agent uses search tools to find the exact email, filter the information, and generate a summary in seconds. Let's look at another practical example. First, we ask the agent, get the invoices for September 2025 from the business partner, Sleepwell Hotels. The agent checks the information in Etendo using SQL Expert and gives us the list of corresponding invoices. Next, we look for the business partner's email and request. Send an email to legrandsleepwell.com with details of outstanding invoices in a correctly formatted table in a professional tone. The agent automatically generates the email, writes the text clearly and professionally, and includes the details of the outstanding invoices. Finally, from the Gmail, we can see the email already sent, with the correct format and complete information, ready for the client to receive it. Thanks to this integration, your email information combines with your ERP data, saving you time and centralizing your tasks in one place. We hope this tutorial is helpful. For more information, you can check the documentation in the description. See you in the next video.